My name's Lisa, and I am a CIC. And what that means to me is so much more than just a title of being a Christian image consultant. It means so much more than clothes or fashion or body type. Now don't get me wrong, I love to shop and I love a good deal and I love knowing trends and tricks of the trade and that kind of thing. But I feel like it's so much more than that, and I feel like I've been called to this business and ministry to help girls and women that are hurting and struggling like I always have and still do, to be honest. I remember when I got started about almost 4 years ago, I was trained as a CIC, and I remember specifically saying, all right, Lord, whatever you have me do, I can do it. Just please don't have me work with like teenage girls, the tweens. That is just not my favorite age. And what do you know? That is who I primarily work with and who I adore working with. I love them. I just hope that my story, somehow the struggles and the things that I've gone through, can have a positive impact, and can somehow a seed can be planted in them that they know that they're not alone and that God's with them and God loves them. If I can do anything, if I can play the smallest part in helping other women, or more specifically younger girls, not struggle like I did, then sign me up and please let me be a part of that. God has called me to bring up a generation of fair warriors. I named my daughter Finley. It means fair warrior. So I love what I do. I'm so thankful for what I do, and I just hope that God keeps guiding me and showing me where He wants me. And if He shows me and guides me, I'll go.